Are you trying to make extra money online? In this video, I'm going to show you how to get paid $15 every 5 minutes using a simple and easy-to-follow method. Discover the secrets to making money online without any effort and start seeing cash in your PayPal account. Find out why thousands are using this amazing method of earning passive income. Just watch the video all the way through and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get started. If you were looking for apps to make money, you are in the right place. Happy Survey app will help you make money from anywhere. When you're bored at home, out commuting, or any spare time. Happy Surveys is a mobile app where users can earn money by taking paid surveys. Completing a survey can reward with up to $15 and takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Your opinions are valuable. Get paid to share them. With Happy Surveys, you can answer quick surveys and get paid real cash via your PayPal account. Happy Surveys partners with top market research companies, aggregates them, monitor the quality, and rank each survey on real time. So, you receive the best and highest paid surveys available. Easy, fast, and from anywhere, anytime. You can start monetizing your spare time instantly. When you are bored at home or commuting, break time, wouldn't you like to make some free, easy money? Your mobile mini job is not only easy but also fun. Make money with surveys now. Real cash is waiting for you. Be smart and earn money with a survey. Happy Surveys is leading the way for survey apps that pay cash. No vouchers or gift cards, you are paid cash in your PayPal account. Process all payouts within 3 working days, so you receive your earnings fast and directly at your PayPal account. Get the app now. Start earning easy cash. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up. Comment saying, I like it. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more videos like this one.